honey mustard, tarragon honey mustard glaze, the perfect sweet and savory sauce for any dish. Have you ever tasted a glaze that perfectly balances sweet, tangy, and savory flavors? This tarragon honey mustard glaze is a secret ingredient your meals have been missing. I'm Angel, culinary school grad, retired line cook and retired prep cook. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Let's get started.
Welcome to another delicious recipe from Angel Culinary Kitchen. Today, we're making a tarragon honey mustard glaze, a versatile, flavor-packed sauce or spread that transforms everything from roasted meats to grilled veggies to sandwiches. If you love a glaze that enhances your dish without overpowering it, you're in for a treat.
Yeah. No. 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 Finding the perfect glaze can be tricky. Some are too sweet, too acidic, or too overpowering, masking the natural flavors of the dish. This glaze, it strikes the perfect balance. Sweetness from honey, a mild kick from mustard, and a fresh herbal note from the tarragon. Look at that golden glossy glaze. Drizzle it over roasted chicken, salmon, grilled veggies, or even drizzle it on a sandwich. Every bite bursts with sweet, savory, and herbal goodness. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you created a restaurant-worthy tarragon honey mustard glaze. It's easy, delicious, and a game changer for your meals. Now it's your turn. Try this glaze and let me know how you use it in the comments. So tell me, how do you like this recipe? You know, if you like it, be sure to give me a like, a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. I'll come back for the next one. I'll see you then. Bye. Thank you for watching. As always, please be the blessing to someone. Check out this next video YouTube believes you'll like. Many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I'll see you next time.